Welcome back to Microbe World, where we explore the invisible universe inside you. Today, we descend into the body's underground city. Deep within your abdomen lies the large intestine, the most crowded, noisy, and certainly the smelliest place in the entire human body. Think of this organ not just as a tube, but as a bustling metropolis, known as the super underground waste city. If the small intestine is a high-end luxury resort, then the large intestine is a massive, gritty, industrial recycling complex. Down here, there is absolutely no light, and oxygen levels are extremely low. It is a harsh environment for ordinary cells. Yet, this hostile environment is home to over 90% of the total bacteria living within your entire physical body. Imagine 100 trillion tiny residents working overtime. They are packed together tighter than commuters on a subway train during rush hour. Among this vast population, two powerful clans dominate the landscape. These are the mighty Bacteroides and the resilient Firmicutes families. These two groups are the rulers of this underground world. They do not sit around idly like the tourists in the small intestine. Their primary mission is crucial. They are here to process the tough leftovers that the stomach and small intestine could not handle. We are talking about dietary fiber, the complex structures from vegetables, roots, and fruits that your human enzymes simply cannot break down. But for our industrial workers here, this waste is a feast. They attack the fiber, breaking it down with specialized enzymes. As they consume this fiber, they produce a magical byproduct. They release short-chain fatty acids, a super fuel for your body. These fatty acids are the primary energy source for the cells lining your colon, keeping the walls strong and healthy. This process is vital. It helps maintain the gut barrier and plays a significant role in preventing conditions like colon cancer. However, every heavy industry has byproducts. While they work hard, these bacteria are also running a massive fermentation operation. As they ferment the fiber, they generate gas. It is an unavoidable side effect of their metabolic, hard work inside you. The primary gases produced here include hydrogen and carbon dioxide. These are mostly odorless, but they take up a lot of space. Then comes methane and the notorious hydrogen sulfide. The latter is the culprit behind the distinct rotten egg smell we know. As production continues, pressure builds up within the factory walls. The gas needs somewhere to go, and the pressure gauge rises. When the pressure becomes too great, a silent alarm rings out. The host body receives a signal that release is imminent, and boom! The host releases a loud fart. That sound is essentially a greeting card from your hardworking colonic residents. Do not be embarrassed. It is a sign that your internal recycling plant is functioning exactly as nature intended it to. But these microbes are not just gas producers. They are also skilled pharmacists, running a hidden biological pharmacy inside you. You might think you only get vitamins from the food you eat. You would be wrong. These little friends synthesize them for you. They synthesize vitamin K, which is absolutely essential for blood clotting. Without it, a simple scratch could bleed for a long time. They also manufacture B-complex vitamins, like B12 and biotin. These are gifts given freely to your body to support your nerves. Without these bacterial gifts, you would face risks of continuous bleeding, fatigue, and even severe neurological weakness over time. They produce these nutrients right where they are needed most. It is a perfect supply chain that has evolved over millions of years. As we near the end of the line, the environment changes again. We are entering the final dehydration and compaction zone. The large intestine has one last major job: to reclaim water. It sucks the liquid back into your body to prevent dehydration. What was once a liquid slurry is now dried and compressed. The waste is compacted tightly, ready for its final departure. Here is a surprising fact about this waste. By weight, roughly 1/3 of it is actually composed of the bacteria themselves. Many of these microbes sacrifice themselves or simply get trapped. They become a major structural part of the final product. They wave a silent goodbye to the host. They are preparing to leave the warm world they have known for the outside. The journey leads to the final exit gate. The waste moves into the rectum, waiting for the conscious decision to evacuate. We have witnessed the entire life cycle of a meal, from the acid bath of the stomach to the bacterial city of the colon. The biggest lesson here is perspective. Your body is not just a single individual. It is a vast, sprawling universe. You are the guardian of this universe. When you eat fiber and live healthily, you are feeding trillions of loyal little subjects. In return for your care, they protect you from disease, manufacture your vitamins, and guard your borders against dangerous invaders. The balance between Bacteroidetes and Firmicutes is delicate. It is a partnership that has existed since the dawn of human history. If you starve them with junk food, the city crumbles. But feed them right, and this underground metropolis thrives for your benefit. Our journey through the human microbiome is complete. Which part of this amazing system impressed you the most so far? Was it the nose, with its intricate air filters and mucus traps that defend you from every breath you take? Or perhaps the stomach, the chemical biological reactor that dissolves almost anything you throw into it with powerful acids? Or is it here, the large intestine, the recycling plant, where trillions of lives work in the dark to keep you alive? Let us know in the comments below. We love to hear which of your internal organs you appreciate the most today. Remember, the microbe world is not just in your gut. It covers your skin, your eyes, and every surface of you. We are more bacteria than human by cell count. Embracing this fact changes how we view health and our place in nature. Be mindful of antibiotics. While necessary at times, they are like dropping a nuclear bomb on this carefully balanced underground city. You can rebuild and support them with probiotics and prebiotics. Think of it as sending disaster relief and supplies to your workers. A healthy gut contributes to a healthy mind. The connection between your intestine and your brain is stronger than you realize. Scientists call this the gut-brain axis. Your mood, your anxiety, and your focus are all influenced by these tiny residents. So next time you feel a rumble in your tummy, do not just think of it as digestion. Think of it as life. The large intestine is not a trash can. It is a sophisticated recycling center that squeezes every last drop of value for you. We owe a debt of gratitude to these silent partners. They work tirelessly from your first breath until your very last day. If you enjoyed this tour of the colon, you will love our deep dives into the heart and the human brain. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Join our community and never miss an expedition into the microscopic. As above, so below. The complexity of the universe outside is mirrored perfectly by the complexity of the universe inside you. This is Microbe World, dedicated to making the invisible visible and helping you understand the miracle of your own biology. Life here never stops. Even as we speak, millions of new bacteria are being born to replace the ones that left. The slow river of digestion flows on. It is a silent, rhythmic process that keeps you fueled and cleansed every single day. They also maintain the pH balance of your gut. This chemical stability is crucial for preventing the growth of harmful pathogens. Your immune system learns from these bacteria. They teach your white blood cells what to attack and what to leave alone. Without them, we would be unable to digest much of our food. We would be weak, vitamin deficient, and vulnerable to infection. Evolution has crafted a masterpiece of cooperation. It is a relationship built on mutual benefit, trust, and biological necessity. So remember to send down plenty of fiber. Beans, oats, fruits, and vegetables are the paychecks your workers are waiting for. Avoid excessive sugar and bad fats. These fuel the rebels and the weeds in your garden, causing inflammation and distress. Think of yourself as a gardener. Your gut is the soil, and the bacteria are the plants you must tend to. Even under the most powerful microscopes, the complexity of these interactions is breathtaking. We are still learning new things every year. The future of medicine lies here. Therapies involving gut bacteria are being developed to treat everything from depression to obesity. As we conclude our visit to the super underground city, let us appreciate the noise, the crowds, and even the smell. The bacteroidetes are signing off. They have more fiber to process and more walls to repair before their shift ends. The Firmicutes bid you farewell. They will continue their work in the darkness, ensuring you get every bit of energy. We ascend from the depths, leaving the anaerobic world behind, returning to the oxygen-rich world outside your body. Take a deep breath. Feel your body functioning. It is a symphony of cooperation happening silently beneath your skin right now. This story was brought to you by Microbe. We are passionate about uncovering the secrets of the biological universe. If you learned something new, please share this video. Help us spread the wonder of science to curious minds everywhere. Stay tuned for our next adventure. We will be traveling upstream to explore the electrical sparks of the human brain. Until then, stay curious, stay healthy, and take good care of your trillions of tiny, hardworking inner companions. Thank you for watching Microbe World. We will see you in the next episode of our journey through the human body. Microbe World, exploring the unseen. Goodbye for now.